everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me again today. For anyone who is new here, my name is Jenny Fajes and I do nail tutorials. So if you guys are interested in nail content, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well. Also share my content if you guys would like so other people can go ahead and see what I create here on our little YouTube channel. I am so excited for today's video, you guys. I'm going to be creating this beautiful, stunning, simple yet just beautiful spring nail set, you guys. I am so excited. This nail set turned out so beautiful. I've been getting so many compliments on it. I cannot wait for you guys to see how to recreate it at home. Now for today's nail set, as you guys can see, I went ahead and did all the prep, everything literally off of camera. I wanted to just focus mostly on the design on this video. Also, if you guys can hear my kids in the background, they were quiet this entire time. Right now that I sat down to record, they are extremely loud, so you guys don't mind that. They're literally playing, just like tackling each other, hugging each other, and then all of a sudden I just see them tackling each other again. So yeah, but anyways, for today's nail set, I did use this NKK nude color, you guys. I feel like this brand has the best nudes that I've tried so far. They're so pretty and so easy to work with, and I know you guys had like comment before and like let me know that I needed more work with this type of product, and I definitely think so myself. I feel like I've gotten so much better, and I love creating nails with these type of builder gels because it adds like thickness to the nail, but not too much. You can also create more of an apex, and it is also workable. Like you guys see here, I am just taking this very thin brush and just brushing around to the areas that I feel need more product. The products, like if there's too much product on another area, I will just move it around. Also there was like bubbles on this and I was trying to move it here. That's where I'm like struggling, just moving. But I definitely recommend these nudes from NKK. If you guys are looking for beautiful nudes that will match anybody's skin tone, definitely recommend them. And I will definitely restock and buy different colors for them so you guys can see the different shades and how they look on my nails. Now, once I was done doing all of my nails, adding the nude, I did go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol just to wipe off that tacky layer, because I do have to mention this does leave like tackiness, like stickiness. So I definitely recommend you guys cleaning that off. Now, I did purchase these from Amazon. I wanted to do more of a freestyle, like Easter kind of like spring nail set. So I went ahead and purchased these. I felt like these were going to be perfect like pastel colors for this nail set, and I just wanted to, just let loose and just freestyle a nail set for you guys. I know I like recreating because there's so many good nail sets out there, but I definitely wanted to just try something different. So I went ahead and ordered these gel polishes as well from Born Pretty, and this is what I ended up using for today's nail set. I will leave all of my products linked down below. Most of them are from like Amazon, so if I do find them if I did get them from Amazon, I will definitely link them down below for you guys. Now they are these colors here. I am going to just go ahead and swatch them for you guys. I wanted pastel colors. I wanted spring colors. I wanted something that I can use for the spring, and these are so freaking beautiful, you guys. I love all of these colors, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this nail set. I am going to be doing French tip nails. So here I am just doing the blue nail for you guys. I am going to just do this one on camera, and the rest of them will just appear all of a sudden right now. But how are you guys? How have you guys been? You guys update me, please. Let me know in the comments down below. What have you girlies been up to? I have been up to being a mom, working, and it was also my husband's 40th birthday. If you guys keep up with me on Instagram, I did post there. I also did post a little extra video on TikTok, so if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok as well. Me and Aaliyah posted something there, so if you guys want to keep up with me, if you guys want to keep up with each other, follow me. I will follow you back. Message me, I will message you back, you guys back. And yeah, I like having conversations with you guys, so definitely follow me and you guys can keep up with me a little bit more. But that's what's been going on with me. Just busy with like school, work. My sister's getting married in 5 weeks, I think it is now. So trying to get that, trying to eat healthy, trying to work out, trying to just, do everything all at once. So that's the craziness happening right now. Literally every like day off that I have, I'm asking my sister like throughout the week, like, what do you need me to do? And then on the weekends, trying to spend time with my kids and, do laundry, do all that stuff. That's what I've been up to. But the nicest, like most fun thing that I've done recently was going bowling for my husband's 40th birthday. I went ahead and booked that and then we went bowling. It was pretty fun. Yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, if not, follow me now. But we did that and you guys can go ahead and just keep up with me a little bit more through Instagram. I post there a little bit more often. Now, moving on to the nail set, I did go ahead and do French tips on all of my nails. These products that you guys see here are the products that I'm going to be using for the rest of the nails. I am going to be adding like jewels and charms and all that stuff. These here, oh my God, I purchased these from Amazon. I think my niece sent me the link to those and then I ended up buying them. So I think, yeah, you guys know because I used that for her, I believe, in a different nail set. But yeah, I will link it down below. I will link it on my Amazon storefront so you guys can go ahead and purchase the exact same items I have here. But now with just a little bit of the rhinestone glue from Makar, I am going to be just applying little flowers and pearls and little caviar, little pearls, little beads. I am just going in and like I said, I purchased these flowers because I just wanted to do like a spring nail set. Something that gives like Easter, spring, pastel colors, just pretty, So for this pinky here, I did do that just very simple, 2 little flowers. Now for this middle finger, I am going to be doing flowers as well. So that's basically what the theme is, just flowers, pearls, and diamonds. Well, not diamonds, rhinestones, just matching the little flowers to the nail. I love how these nails turned out. Oh, those little beads were like stuck together, so I couldn't use it. But here I am just using these little beads. Oh, I did want to ask you guys, what have you guys been watching? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys recommend for me to watch? A few things that I love watching. Well, let me, yeah. I feel like I have so much to tell you guys because I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. But I am just going to go ahead and do my little flowers, rhinestones, and all that. So you guys just keep watching that. But back to what we've been watching. I was wondering what you guys recommend for me to watch. What have you guys been watching? I've always been into watching Housewives, so I will literally watch every single housewife there is. The Atlanta one has been really good. If you guys have been watching it, let me know in the comments down below. I also like watching, what was it? Good American Good American Family? American Family? I don't know if you guys have kept up with that one, but it's on, I think, Hulu or Netflix. But that one was really good. You guys, if you have watched it, let me know in the comments down below if you guys think she was an adult, she was a kid. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts, and then I'll give you mine in the next video that I upload. Another good show that I've been watching that cannot wait for the next episode is Handmaid's Tales. I don't know if you guys have watched Handmaid's Tale. I don't know if you guys keep up with that one. Let me know also, whoever does, in the comments down below. What do you guys think? And then I'll give you guys my opinion. But yeah, any other shows you guys recommend me watching, any podcasts you guys recommend me watching or listening to on my way to work or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. A podcast that I always like watching is La Plática. I don't know if you guys know about Josh and Sebas. Oh my God, I think they're hilarious. But those are the things that I've been watching recently. Yeah, you guys just let me know. Usually like I'll watch it like at work, on my lunch, anything like that. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys recommend me watching. Now for this nail here, this is the very last nail where I'm going to be adding rhinestones and all that. I love this nail. It reminds me of the type of nail that I did on my niece not that long ago. If you guys have been keeping up with me, you guys will know which nail. It's just this one has like little pearls and stuff, but I am basically just going to be filling in this entire nail with rhinestones, little flowers, that big gold, jewel that I added in the middle, the little caviar beads, the little gold pearls, the little white pearls, literally just adding a bunch of them. And the only thing you guys will see me just doing is like moving this back to the left every so often because that rhinestone glue will obviously like slide because it's not cured. So I do go in with all these rhinestones and just apply them literally to the entire nail, and I just keep adding more and more and more. That's literally all I'm going to be doing for this nail here. And this is like the most complicated nail there is in this entire nail set, but it's not even hard to create, to be honest. I love how this nail set turned out. This length here is so pretty, but you guys, I struggle with my kids' car seats to like unbuckle them. It is so hard because I can't press down all the way with my thumb because the nail's so long. So I would honestly prefer them shorter, but I normally do them longer just so I don't know, for the nails that I do here, I feel like I just need to do them longer. And then if I need them shorter, I'll just file them. But I love today's nail set, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Please, please, please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy this. But I'm basically just going to be adding and filling in this nail with everything that I have. Literally every single little spot I'm just going to be filling. Another show I wanted to mention, you guys, is Sister Wives. My younger sister has been into that one like forever. I recently binge watched it maybe like 3 months ago. 3 or 4 months ago I started just binge watching it and just catching up and everything, and it's actually really interesting. But this newest episode, if you guys watch it, let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about it. I'm not gonna spoil or anything, but I am gonna let you guys know it was just such a sad episode. You guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And again, if you guys do comment or anything, I will update you guys with my thoughts on it in the next video. But yeah, you guys, I really want to know what are good shows out there. What should I watch? What are you guys watching? What do you guys recommend? Any movies or anything? Please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, you guys, this nail was probably the one that took the longest out of the entire nail set, and it wasn't even hard to do. Literally just randomly applying rhinestones all over the nail is like not even hard. It was just placing it, and then once I was done placing all the rhinestones and just fully just applying rhinestones all over the nail, then I went ahead and just cured it. But as you guys can see here, I was just doing my final little touches, just moving it around if I needed to and just filling it in. Now, once I was done with that, I did go in with 2 different top coats. This one here, I definitely recommend to apply around any of your little flowers, beads, rhinestones, any of that, because it is thicker. I like this one because it fills in the gaps, and then that way around the flowers or anything like that, your hair does not get caught. So that's why I personally like this thicker top coat for that. It adds thickness around all these little flowers, because I'm sure if you guys have gotten your nails done before, your hair will get caught under these because there is a gap. It doesn't get like fully placed. It's like a flat back and your nails obviously round, so it doesn't get filled all the way, and your hair strands will get caught under there. So I do like going in with a thicker top coat. And then after that, I do like to go with this very thin top coat. I love this one. Oh, my husband's nail. Oh my God. I don't know what he was showing me there. But then I like to go in with this thin top coat just to make it super glossy, just smooth and everything. So now I'm going in with this one. Again, these 2 top coats I will have in my Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested, I definitely recommend these 2. And this top coat here, the D&D one, I love because it's super glossy and it lasts a very long time. I have done my nails before and then done my sister's or my niece, my mom's nails, and I do use alcohol and acetone, all that stuff, and it'll get on my nails, but it'll still stay shiny because of that top coat. I really definitely recommend it. Just for the rhinestones, I definitely recommend the thicker one first, so it can go ahead and just fill in any little gaps, any spaces, any of that. Definitely recommend that. And then adding that thinner top coat. If there is no rhinestones, then definitely just the thin top just the thin top coat. I'm so excited for today's video, you guys. I feel like I haven't recorded in like forever, so I'm just like, what should I talk about? What should I talk about? What did I want to talk about? What did I want to tell you guys? But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I top coated. I did go ahead and just cure everything. Now here I am just taking a little bit of my Macart cuticle oil from my cuticle oil pen. This one is with the scent lavender. So I went ahead and just applied this all over my cuticle area just to go ahead and bring it back to life. Just bring some hydration back to my fingers. And that's basically it, you guys, for today's nail set. This nail set was super easy and it just turned out so beautiful. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, what you guys want to see next. If you guys want me to do more spring nails, more pastel nails, definitely let me know in the links down below. If you guys want me to recreate anything, also let me know in the comments down below. I cannot wait just to do another nail set and just show you guys and just be creative, honestly. Just show you guys what I can do. Now here I'm just kind of spreading all of this cuticle oil everywhere, all along my nails. I mean my fingers. And this is today's nail set, you guys. Look at how pretty these colors look together. They are so stunning. They are so pretty. You guys, oh, chef's kiss on this nail set, you guys. I have gotten so many compliments, and I know I say that all the time, but I genuinely get so many compliments. I love you guys. I cannot wait for the next video. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next one.